Welcome everybody, I'm Sharon Rammel. I pioneered teaching shamanism online in small video format way back in 2014, and I'm absolutely delighted to join this mind, body and soul super stack. Did you know that over 1/3 of all students now learn online? And there's a very good reason why. It works. This stack is a stack for our times. I am here to share a course with you called Transform Your Mind, Body and Soul, a guide to self-healing. This course will lead you to embrace spiritual immunity as a pathway to help you find freedom, to chart your course away from fear, chaos and darkness. It is a pathway that if you choose, it can lead you into a place of unity, of love and kindness. There's no separation or delusion or division here. We are genuinely one breath, one heartbeat. And as a collective, when we choose to tune in and raise our vibrations, we can make a difference. There is plenty of great research to back that one up. In our shamanic traditions, we believe that what we experience reflects what we energetically create within our thoughts, words and deeds. Simply put, change your thoughts, change your life. Your deeds will follow. This stack is designed to help you find your wings so that you may fly free. There are some amazing people here waiting to help you, and there's more than $4,000 worth of world-class resources. What are you waiting for?